Hi there, I'm Heidi Swapp, and I want to introduce you to the Holiday Marquee set. These are the plastic version, which means that a lot of the work is actually done for you. These are made of a nice solid plastic, and so they stand up all by themselves, and they're very sturdy. Makes them really great, easy to pack away for next year. As you've probably noticed, the marquee stuff is the rage. So every store that you're going into, you're seeing really fun, various types of marquee signs that look great in your house, especially for the holiday season. So let me just show you what is new this year. So we'll start out over here. These don't have batteries in them yet. I haven't put the lights in. I'm about to show you how to do that. So this is what they look like when they're not lit up. So we have the Snowflake, and it comes with a white glitter insert inside. Look at all those bulbs. This one really shines. Then there's this one. I love it. It's a cursive script font that says Noel, and it comes with that gold glittery insert all ready to go. Looks so great sitting on a shelf, on a mantle. This one really pops. Now I love this one because this is great for any holiday, any event, or just every day. This is a chalkboard arrow, and whether you put it up or to the side, we have thought of everything, because on the back it has these plastic little hangers, so that makes it easy to hang onto your wall, whatever direction you choose to place it. Additionally, you can add whatever saying you want to it right inside with a chalk marker, and I'm going to show you that in a minute as well. So that's the arrow. We also have over here this really cute candy cane that comes with the golden white candy cane insert. We have the 3 trees, which those 3 are together. They make a really great impact. The word joy, which is kind of a cool vintagey font that I love, and then also this really large, again, this is a chalkboard frame, a marquee chalkboard frame. And what's really cool about this is that, again, just like the chalkboard arrow, it doesn't have to be for any holiday or any situation. It can be for any or every, which is really cool. So I love that. All right, so let's first talk about when you get this out of the box, the inserts are already in, and so are the light bulbs. But what you will find is the light strand. You'll notice that it has a little image on it that tells you what it goes to in case they somehow get mixed up when you have all of them. And in this one in particular, you'll notice some of them have a glitter piece, or sorry, Velcro on the back and Velcro here, so that you know right where that battery pack goes to keep it stable. All right. Now, because these are the plastic version, we have engineered a different type of light bulb compared to the DIY or the paper version, and these actually unscrew. So if you hold the front and the back and you unscrew them, then you can actually very easily remove the back and the front. If you wanted to, you could remove all the light bulbs and remove the template that is included, and you could use that to trace any other paper that you might want to put inside. So these are interchangeable if you wish. All right, so since they're already ready to go, I'm going to show you that here on the back, we have designed a really cool structured hole that keeps your light bulbs, this strand of light, nice and tight inside the bulbs. So every one of these different styles comes with a little instruction sheet in the box. So make sure that you have that, because some of them, it really does matter how you thread it. The arrow is pretty straightforward. So I'm going to go ahead and place the battery pack in. As you look down here, you can see that there's 2 little, it looks like 2 little holes in there, and you're kind of wondering, how does this fit? This is where you just have to kind of get brave, and you just press that light bulb all the way through until it stops. By pressing it all the way down, the front of the bulb, where it's illuminated, the front of the light is illuminated, presses all the way into the light bulb on the front. So it just takes a little bit of time and a little bit of muscle. I have heard some people who like to go in with a pair of scissors or something that's sharp and kind of lance that hole before they use it. The only problem with doing that is that it might not hold your light strand or the light bulbs nice and tight and keep them in place when you have it up hanging wherever you have it. So this design keeps the light bulbs nice and tight and in place. All right, now that I've got them all in there, I can turn it on and you can see how great that looks. Each one of these are battery operated, and you will need to put in 2 AAA batteries. All right, now I wanted to mention to you that you can personalize these arrows by using a chalk marker. This large sign, a piece of chalk is included, and so you can use regular chalk, but I really love this chalk marker. It's something that you can find online on craft stores, and it's made by American Crafts. It's a waxy type marker. And so if you want to go ahead and write something, and I'm just going to write cheers. That's holiday-ish. So I already have my little message there. Now let's say that I'm ready to change my message. This pen, you know, it's different from a piece of chalk because it doesn't get all the chalk dust and all that. It's also very soft, and it makes it really easy to write and have success writing with the chalk, but still really get that chalk effect. However, it's really hard to get it to clean off all the way. So I have found that I really love a magic eraser. So this is just that typical magic eraser that you can get at the grocery store, and I have a little bit of white, a little bit of wet on it, and you kind of get the idea here. Just very quickly and easily washes it out. You would use a paper towel to kind of dry it out, and then you're ready to write another sentiment. This is perfect for birthdays, for any holiday, for special events, and this works great also on this big chalk marquee frame. This is a great addition to your everyday, plus all of your holiday decor. So grab yourself some of this awesome holiday marquee and make pretty stuff.